All right, this is the Glute Bridge Squeeze. So this is another progression in our Glute Bridge series. And what it does is it really creates, again, we're focusing on creating a lot of tension to take pressure off of our joints, like our low back and our knees. And this is a great exercise to help with that. So to do it, you're gonna need something to squeeze between your knees like this. So again, we're using a yoga block. Any sort of ball works. If you have like a soccer ball or a tennis ball or any sort of inflatable ball that's about this size. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get into our bridge position, heels close to the hips, about hip width apart, and then again, we're just putting this in between our knees, and I'm squeezing about 50% tension. So I'm not squeezing it to death, I'm just about 50% tension here, and then from there, we're just gonna do our glute bridge, maintaining that squeeze all the way up, and again, you feel a nice amount of tension in the lower body here, and back down. Up, back down. There you have it. That's the glute bridge squeeze.